Okay? All right. Making the engine compartment, you're going to need the tube, 2 spacers, and a engine lock. The engine lock's going to go on first on the tube. The angled pieces need to point down towards the opening. You're going to take the 2 rings, carefully put them over the top. Sometimes it's tricky. Slide the second one on. Okay. Then you need to glue this on here. Okay, one end should be longer, it should be overhanging. Take the Elmer's glue. You're going to run a bead around the top and bottom. Of each one. So this way when the engine ignites, it won't fly out of the top of the rocket. Once you've got the glue on here, spin each one of these to cover the glue around the inside of that spacer. Okay? You'll then put glue on the outside of the rings on this outer edge, and then this will get glued into the bottom of your rocket, and it should stick out that far.